Well, I hope you had a great time with the 2 free workshops that were made available last week for patrons. Really looking forward to seeing your comments on Facebook about those. But what's happening this coming week, starting 1st of August 2021? Let's go to live events and check it out. First of all, and I'll be reminding you of this on most of the roundups, remember that you can support this school in Kenya. It's our first arty intervention where we're artying up a school. They don't have any art materials and we're going to be supplying them with that, and you can then join in a live event with those children to paint along with a professional artist somewhere in the world, and we'll then see what art they can create off that. So a really, really great initiative. I'm really hoping that you can help support us. So first up, this week, Tuesday, 3rd of August, we are flying to Cape Town to visit Derek van Rensberg, where we're going to be continuing the theme that he did in the shorter class a few weeks ago, where he's going to be painting a portrait in both acrylic and watercolour, but we're going to be spending a lot more time talking about the different techniques adopted with those 2 mediums. So it is going to be a really fascinating workshop. If you want, through this link, you can come and click this video and you can watch him doing a practice run he did for the workshop, but you can kind of see that in fast motion. And here are some of the reference photos that will be sent out to you the day before, as well as his recommended materials for that event. It's going to be a really great workshop. We've done a few with Derek, and sometimes we have a little tour of his art gallery as well, and he talks about certain pieces of work that he's just about to ship off that have maybe been bought by collectors. So if you do want to book, you can head over to his shop here with this link, and you can also pre-order the video if you can't make the live webinar. Also, if you are a patron, you get a 10% discount by clicking this link here off the price of the workshop. So do take advantage of this here. Back to live events. Following Derek, on Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning UK time, we are flying to the Philippines to join Iris Babaooi for her full-length workshop, and this will be painting a waterfall and rocky rivers scene, as she's called it, which looks amazing. It was something that she did with a pastel society in the Philippines, and this is the photo reference that we sent out to you the day before. But I think this will be a really nice addition to the techniques and concepts that Iris was talking about in the shorter patron special class a couple of weeks ago. So do have a look at this. If you want to book, you can click this link and it will go through to her shop and you can purchase it here. Alternatively, if you're a patron, you get 10% off. Then on Thursday afternoon, we've got a patron special webinar with Graham Booth. In this patron special class, he's going to be looking at adding figures to your landscape. So he's going to be talking about the compositional aspects, the sketching, the value studies of people, proportions, perspective, things like that. So this will be a really lovely class. If you want to join in, you do have to pay to join this. And so you can purchase a one-off ticket. It's £6 to join. However, if you are a patron, even if you're at our lowest level of patron at £5 a month, you get free access to all these special classes throughout the month. So you will get sent that automatically the day before the event with the link to join that webinar. Then finally, I was torn whether to talk about this because it kind of falls into the next week, but it's also into the week before. It's our first Sunday workshop event, and actually it's our first event with one of our new co-hosts, Nisha from India. So Nisha is going to be hosting Agus Budianto in Indonesia, and he's a very fast, fluid, really fascinating artist, and it will be lots of fun. You can click in here to see the details, and what Agus has actually done is done a preview video for you, so that's well worth a watch, and you can find out more about that. And because Nisha, this is her first workshop, if you are a patron, you get a 30% off discount here. So you click this link and you get that at a patron of any level. So that's a really well worth promotion that you can take advantage of. If you scroll down, you can see some of his reference paintings, but I don't think he's going to be doing anything quite like this. Each painting he does is totally unique, but as you can tell, he's incredibly vibrant, very modern. I think this will be a really interesting and eye-opening event to take part in. Don't forget, if you want to be kept up to date with all our live streams and videos, head over to YouTube, search for Shopkeep Party, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that way we'll notify you every time we launch a new video and you won't miss a thing. Look forward to seeing you soon and have a great weekend. Bye.